Solid, bro.
Anthony be like this, bro.
What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another vlog. Right here with my boy. Let him out.
Let him out, bro.
Permission
slip, my boy.
I
signed the permission slip, bro.
He signed it. We're on our way to Walmart right now. We're gonna go fucking buy some film with the camera. The new bad boy right here.
I'm about to gift this to Jose.
Yeah, he's about to gift it for Christmas.
We're about to get his first 35 millimeter. We're gonna go buy some film. Some Fuji 400.
My boy knows everything about film. He's about to put me on. We're on our way to Walmart right now.
Instagram in the description.
Yeah, bro. I'll tag him, my boys.
Tag him. Okay.
All right, stay tuned, boys.
Ta. Bro. You can get that.
Yeah, dude. We just got the Supremo. What was it? 180 hertz on?
Yeah, they're stocked up. We'll buy one too. Let's check out. Which one? What are we looking at? Right there, my boy. Fuji, bro. It's a cheaper stock, but it'll do, bro. It's good. It's like $8 a roll. Pretty good deal.
It's just $25, bro.
$8 per roll, bro.
Oh.
Divided by 3, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think I was
like about $8.
My bad, bro.
Right?
Yeah. Which one is it?
We got a math major right here, bro.
It's my fault. Wink that shit, bro.
That's what we're gonna get right now, boys. Does the camera show them right? Better light?
Check it out, bro. Catchable fucking body. Everything's on, bro. Pop a flash. Get pop a flash, my boy.
Show the flash, show the flash. Get Anthony right now, he's a model way. Damn. Fresh new fade. Hit him up.
$95, bro.
$200 right there.
Hey, what's up? I need help over here, bro. What's the button there? There you go, bro. There you go.
We just got the film. He helped us out. Press secured. Edder's gonna swipe.
It's really cute.
Taha. This is the roll we got for the fucking camera.
Taha.
Taha.
Controversy, but
Go.
he just announced a second one.
I don't know how fools get addicted to this, bro.
Minecraft?
Come on, dog. What is this? This
Hey, bro.
PC shit, bro.
My boy loves Call of Duty, bro.
Activision,
hire him.
Yeah.
This for Los Amoses.
That's two, dog.
That my boy said was on him. That's right.
Should look keep it.
Lucky I want a TV way too.
Special, bro.
Good for you.
What's up, Anthony? Some droppy shit, G. Some pilas?
Yeah.
Hey, that shit require pilas?
Yeah, but I got you. But it requires like these small ass ones. Look, wait. You have to buy them specially, wait.
I gotta charge that bitch, bro. Pilas? What if one day I'm on the go phone that shit dies, way?
Got you a fresh pack.
Ta.
Not $13, trust. Hey, I want one of these food
Hey, show the camera again, way. How you gonna be taking photos, way?
fishing a little.
How you be taking photos, way? Go.
What do you mean?
Throw the flash again.
Well, I got to take this shit off. Turn the pitch on. Focus on me, bro.
Take it with flash. Shh, your hand, bro. Low key, your name's Peter Parker now, huh? Edder Parker?
$20 at a thrift store.
Damn.
Don't even have to know what thrift store, bro. They're gonna
I know, gatekeep that shit. Hey, wait, show the receipt. Wait, here, hold on.
Body and.
Because I don't want this for the taxes. The lady in the front.
They're already looking at you, bro.
I know.
Get this shit without fucking.
Hey, there,
arm and a leg, bro. Come on.
What if they think you're on the inside?
$56. Huh? $56 right now.
Damn, we're bad boys, fool.
Really bad.
Do it. Set it up.
Bye.
You're the surgeon right now, G.
Alright. There's another one right here. You better cut. Alright.
Do your thing, bro.
Hold this, Anthony?
Ooh.
We're gonna do surgery right now, boys. What camera is it, fool? So people can know.
Get this real. This is the Canon Rebel K2. $20, bro. The glass and the body for $20.
Brand new, how much did you go for?
Back in the day? I don't know. That's a good question. Or now you probably get this for like $30 and the lens for like $30 too.
When we thought it, you knew it's chill.
Yeah, dude, it was in bad shape. It had sticky right there. I just cleaned it and I took it right to the. I went to go buy a freaking battery for it just to see if it functions still. Yeah, it works.
Who they tripping out on?
All right.
Fuji. Fire.
Get that number right there. Hold that, dude. This is the way you do it. Check this out. Get in there, Jose.
Go to the tutorial, go.
We're gonna pop through the picture. You don't even have to worry about setting the ISO on this because it reads this little. It reads this little number right here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You don't have to worry about this shit. This way. So you pop it in there. Yes, it'll. No, it's just right. Alright.
Hey, fool, you always have to get them from Walmart?
Nah, you can buy this online. Buy this
Amazon?
stuff. Yeah, Amazon. I just come here because it's more convenient. So you put it right there up to that little line right there.
Uh-huh.
You close it, and then you turn on the battery. So it's rolling all the way. And now, alright, you're at 36.
Damn. 36?
Alright, let me get the first photo of you, my boy.
Get it at Walmart. Fuck me, bro.
Come on. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Anthony.
Oh,
Hey, what the fuck? This is my boy right here. What's up? My boy Jose, my boy fucking.
What's up, bro? Nice to meet you, bro.
Where'd you get this sweater? Yeah? Are you saw him or what?
Oh my god.
We're not even working right now, huh?
Put the rolas. Who got the rolas on too?
Stand right here. This is perfect. Stand right here.
Standing?
You're right here, Jose.
Oh shit.
You're right here. You're right here.
With the camera or no?
Whatever.
You're not gonna come
Get
out?
out of the way, wait. Put it down, Anthony. Get closer to each other, wait. A little bit, a little bit.
Hey yo.
Hey, yo. Alright. Let me see. What's my fucking bond? Okay. Hold on.
I think I blinked, dog.
Alright.
Fire? So now I have 34, dog.
Yeah, hold up.
Is it a menu?
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, let's go.
So, where can we look at how it came out? When you go on your computer?
No, you have to get to a place.
Damn, hey, peace out, fool. I'll switch to my iPhone.
Serio.
My iPhone can tell me right away, bro.
Alright, G.
Now we got 34 photos. Thanks for wasting my photos, G.
Hey, you can be the whole box, bro.
Hey, well, I'm getting a new roll, G. You good?
Yeah, chilling, way.
They're literally right
I gotta hold it.
Alright. Come a little closer to me, fool.
Me?
That, yeah. Ready. That shit looks bomb, fool.
Fool, get it. It's bomber.
But look, you have your
My taro slushy, bro.
farm and thing, bro.
I like it blended better.
That's it, bro.
More consistency, bro.
Power Storm,
Yeah, that's the one right there. That's when I get that.
I never tried that, but
Black boba, bro. All the boba.
I know that's what we said last time.
It's just lost one right now, fool. Sick ass bag.
What do you get, G?
Brown sugar, bro.
You gonna buy me one?
That's just my stuff.
It's not payday yet, bro. Sorry.
Alright, so I'm gonna get a brown sugar. My boy got a brown sugar, and my boy's gonna get a taro.
Brown sugar.
My boy's gonna get a. What are you gonna get, wait? Taro?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a
Taro smoothie. Alright.
Let me take my flash now.
Mean scene. There's a scene.
Did it go on?
Hey, went on flash?
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
We're waiting for our boba. Show yours, man?
When it comes to this kind of shit, you have to be shameless, way.
Yeah, you have to be a scene, man. Until they tell you no. A ver, güey, enseña.
She likes bomb, way. Yeah, she loves that way.
It's bomb,
Yeah?
trust. Fuck yeah.
No, but you like taro, food, so try taro.
I'm like, me.
We'll give it a little bit of Mars right now.
Hey, nah, but there's a spot right here. The spot across from Primos? No, right here. That shit's bomb, way. That shit's gas, bro.
Fucking Edder. That's why I like Edder with. This one thinks exactly. This one thinks exactly like me, güey. Every time we'll be like, "Tú, mi escándalo." We'll say the same thing.
What?
Because I said right now too, mi escándalo, güey. You too. Taste this. Do it again.
What do you think, bro?
You put Boba in it?
Yeah.
They didn't like Boba.
I think I did.
That shit's gas.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, come on, food. It's the best one, bro.
Boba's good too.
We gone to a lot of spots. This is one of the best.
The Boba's bomb. I think it's one of the best I had with
That's what I said. Shout out them, bro.
a physical Boba, bro.
So you gotta bring your girl, bro. So she don't
I'll-
comment that she knows the best one, bro.
Yeah. Amy, please don't ever do that anymore.
Yeah, don't ever diss us again, Amy. Shout out Amy.
With the camera.
Check her out.
Check her out. Look at
Link in bio.
He's taking this personal, bro. Tell her again, bro.
Tell her. Give her a message.
Look, Amy. Please don't ever argue about Boba spots with us, please. Gotta try this place first, and then we can argue about it.
Hashtag ad or what?
Huh?
I said that, bro.
We feel on the payroll.
Hey, where's the disclaimer at, bro? Come on, dude.
Hey, don't you hear when you fucking see YouTube and then they're like, oh, get this and then they're like, oh yeah, and then they show you the fucking sponsorship. Huh?
Fucking clean ad.
Yeah.
They trip out, fool. When I was looking into this camera, everybody in the camera was doing that shit, fool.
But the DJI doesn't really.
Now it's come out.
I know.
I'm shooting with the lens cap on, fool.
Check it out, so man.
Oh, here's this one.
84.
Alright, me pedo making my Boba home. Oh, I don't want to make it, no, for me.
Te la este pinche nuevo. Oh.
That's like carrots.
My boy's checking in already.
TikTok, bro. A younger gen, bro.
These dudes don't even talk no more. They text, bro.
Hey, text when we're kicking it, bro. The whole phone right here, dog. What the fuck? No, bro. So,
Hey, what's up, bro? They went to the back to get your talk, bro.
They're like, special order for my mom. This food's gotta be fucking different, bro. It's a bad. At first, I thought it was a windbreaker with fire, huh?
yeah, my friend gave me this. I think I wanted this thing like twice, fool.
Hey,
Like I knew Anthony was gonna come fresh, fool.
trip out the other day. We went to the.
Mac Tech, bro.
We went to the. What's it called? The Segundos, way? What is it called?
That's Nike Tech. Yeah. I should pass, bro. What's say, baby?
The other day,
One bread, bro.
the other day we went to the one in Duarte. Wait, what was it? The thrift store. I took my cousins came from San Fran. It was like a month ago. I took them to the thrift store right there with Duarte, where you got the Nike windbreaker. That
Yeah.
you want. That shit was back. Wait, but not good stuff no more.
No?
I think because all the TikTokers took it already.
Yeah, they burned it out.
Yeah.
But that was an OG freaking.
Cool. There was Nick. Hey, wait, this wasn't gonna take a Nike windbreaker. It was like a size large and medium. It didn't fit me, wait, but I was like, hey, fool, you don't want it, I'm gonna take it.
Small, fool.
I was gonna give it to someone else, wait.
What's doing that?
This fool bought
Bought
it.
it, wait.
And then they didn't want to take it off after.
Where's it at?
So showered with it.
Sorry.
Am I going out?
Wait, that's not our shower.
And you stick with forever. And you swipe for this?
Yeah, wait. You don't say I got funds or what, bro?
Like,
Dale, güey. Otra vez, güey.
Hey, earlier everyone freaked out because of that alert, bro.
yeah.
Ah, wait, that shit low-key got me kind of scared, man. Okay.
Nah, I knew I was tripping because LA County, LA County is one of the biggest counties.
What did it say? What?
I sat down.
I didn't even think.
No, it's evacuating. That the fire is getting out of hand.
Is that your alarm, güey? That's what I do when I'm Hollywood.
Let me go ahead and.
It's time to call her now, bro. Imagine.
Is that it? Thank you. We gotta get the behind the scenes, bro. The shot.
Ready?
Dale, güey, antes que se ponga esta madre caliente.
Behind the scenes of a photo.
Behind the scenes, boys. If you see this show on Instagram, like it. Fire?
Yeah, I'll show you.
All right, boys, we're gonna enjoy this shit now.
Let's see his reaction to the boba, bro.
Oh yeah, try it, my boy.
Try
You
it.
tried ours, so.
Shake yours, bro.
You can't shake this shit, fool.
Nah, yours.
Try it, güey.
Yeah, I like the packaging too, way.
That's sick, huh?
Yeah.
Is it static, bro?
It can't, bro.
Shout out my girl, bro. Teaching me all about that shit.
No, the middle.
Right here?
Yeah, the middle, right here.
This is a Pinterest post right here, bro.
I think it's covered.
Nah, things right here, way.
My bad, bro. Look, which one? Regardless, put it right here.
Yeah? Alright, fuck it. I wanna keep this shit. Allah, bro.
Imagine this shit's ass.
Garbage, bro.
I said it. What do you think?
Take it.
Bomb?
Try?
Try it. That shit look, I don't know.
I need to shake it more. Yeah. But it's good food.
I like when they make it a little bit salty way.
Yeah?
All that shit, fool.
Alright, boys, we're gonna enjoy our boba now. That's what I got. Boba milk tea, idiot.
It's a vape out, fool.
Get the cigarros out. The frajo.
Let me know when, bro.
You got him?
Like a flash?
Yeah.
It did? Alright, okay.
Here's your drink, boy.
My bad. Did you get that one?
Yeah, you almost took this fool out, way. That fool got scared, way. He thought he was getting. Hey, he thought he was gonna get rushed, way.
You chilling, my boy?
Hey, he thought he was gonna get rushed, way. Hey, Edder, let's take a photo of the Jeep.
Hey, what? Take no photo of me with him. Like this.
Not Barati, that was Anthony. Okay.
Stop weak that way.
It's alright, bro. I'm flicking out, fool. R&B, bro.
That's it, bro.
Let me take one of you, way.
See, fucking film, my boy.
What's it? No, I said let me see the camera, way. Here, hold it. We're over here doing a night shoot for these fools. Hold up, sick pose though, way. Put your foot on your Jeep.
Or just sit on. Damn. Amy's gonna love this photo, bro.
You gonna do it?
That's it.
I don't think I focused it though, way.
Not focus it on my face, fool. The middle square, and so focus on my face.
The middle square?
Yeah,
But it's not gonna get your feet.
it's good. No, focus it first and then reframe it. Focus it first, then reframe it.
They go.
Yeah, and then now shoot it. Alright, you're good.
Oh, wake him up.
Hey, fool, you look good with a fresh fade, my boy.
I fucked up. I was nursing myself, huh?
Yeah,
What's
bro.
the before and after picture, bro.
Hey, put it out here, fool. Right here. I want it.
What's that, Cody?
He's like, full That's what he was doing.
Hey, fool, nah. Yeah, stick with that, bro.
No, I'm fucking. Hey, that's cooked, bro. Fuck it.
Hey, if you want to know what he got the texture fringe. Hit him up.
Hit him up, $95.
Alright, boys. It was a successful ass day.
Good vlog.
Good vlog, little short vlog. We're here with my boys.
Something light.
We got the film. We show my boy the best boba spot. What do you think, Way?
Bomb, 10 out of 10. I loved it. I fucking loved it.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10, bro. Hell yeah. For sure.
Synergy?
Top tier in your SGV area, bro.
Yeah.
Boba.
It's up there, bro. Top 5 for sure.
Fire?
Yeah, it was bomb. What was it called again?
R&BT, bro.
RBT.
Make sure you remember that.
Keep the cup. Souvenir.
Yep.
Yep.
We're keeping this shit. Alright, then, boys. Stay tuned.
It's coming soon.
Yeah, once
There's something on something this
Something
Sunday.
in the works Sunday.
Sunday.
Classico.
yeah, Classico.
Classico.
Like and subscribe.
Ramager's gonna get spanked.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully.
You know, we get a cap on Stitch again.
Shout out Stitch.
Shout out Stitch. He's at hollering right now. Alright, boys, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. At least, we're gonna try at least one video a week, no? Sounds good?
No, we have to, not at least.
Nah, at least, bro.
We have
Alright, at least twice a week a video.
At least twice a week, maybe.
But for sure, one video.
1 week of video, 2025, bro. Come on, dog.
How many weeks are there?
Come on, G.
Alright, then, boys.
Come on, dog.
Shout out to all the firefighters. Hope you guys stay safe.
Everything turns out good out
Yeah, hopefully by Sunday we record the Classico. There's no more fires. Alright, then, boys. Peace out.
Yo, Tito's.